Bitcoin Cash stands as a prominent chapter in the annals of cryptocurrency. A direct offshoot of the most renowned digital currency, Bitcoin, its inception was driven by a mixture of ideological divides and practical concerns. As we dive deep into BCH's journey, we uncover the complex interplay of technology, economics, and human aspirations. Origins and evolution. By mid-2017, Bitcoin's growing popularity brought along the challenge of scalability. Transaction backlogs and rising fees became frequent issues. A section of the community believed that increasing the block size would alleviate these problems. However, the wider community was divided. Lydia Redwood, a historian specializing in blockchain technology, states, "While BCH's emergence is technically rooted, it's fundamentally a product of divergent visions of what Bitcoin should be." BCH made its entrance in August 2017 with an 8 megabytes block size, contrasting Bitcoin's 1 megabyte. But this was just the beginning of its evolutionary journey. Technical framework and distinctiveness. Increased block size. By allowing more transactions per block, BCH aimed to tackle Bitcoin's scalability issue head-on. Adjustable block size cap. This feature offers a dynamic approach, scaling based on transaction demand, setting BCH apart from many fixed block size cryptocurrencies. Low transaction fees. BCH's design typically results in lower transaction fees, incentivizing microtransactions. Armando Ferreira, a tech analyst, elaborates, BCH is like taking a classic car and fitting it with a modern engine. The essence remains, but the performance is enhanced. Impacting the financial terrain. BCH wasn't just a technical fork. It was a philosophical one. It envisioned becoming a daily transactional currency. Everyday transactions. Whether it's a coffee purchase or an online gadget, BCH aspired to be the go-to digital cash. A coffee shop in Berlin became famous for being one of the first to adopt BCH, signifying a shift towards practical cryptocurrency use. Adoption among merchants. BCH's transactional efficiency made it appealing. Companies like BitPay and CoinGate facilitated its wider merchant adoption. Peer-to-peer focus. The BCH narrative is strongly aligned with decentralization, advocating lesser intermediaries and more direct transactions. Rebecca Lowe, a fintech expert, opines, while Bitcoin became a store of value, akin to digital gold, BCH has always aimed to be digital cash. Controversies and hurdles. BCH's journey hasn't been without its share of controversies. Identity crisis. The use of Bitcoin in its name became a contentious point. Critics argue it's a strategy to ride on Bitcoin's coattails. Forking forks. 2018 saw BCH undergoing its fork, leading to the birth of Bitcoin SV, showcasing that ideological divides weren't exclusive to BTC. Adoption wars. BCH finds itself in the midst of numerous cryptocurrencies, all aiming for widespread adoption. Ravi Chatterjee, a prominent cryptojournalist, notes, BCH exemplifies the teething issues cryptocurrencies face. Its struggles underscore the challenges of establishing a new form of money. Repercussions in the wider financial sphere. BCH's evolution has profound implications for the financial world. Catalyst for evolution. BCH has pushed many projects to reconsider scalability and usability, ensuring the crypto space doesn't stagnate. Decentralization paradigm. The very existence of BCH, born out of a disagreement, showcases that the decentralized world can offer multiple solutions. Challenging established norms. BCH's focus on becoming everyday money offers an alternative to traditional banking and fiat currencies. Dr. Neil Hudson, a financial strategist, observes, BCH's journey highlights the volatile yet exciting potential of cryptocurrencies to reshape our financial landscapes. Futurescape. Predictions and potentials. Mainstream acceptance. If BCH continues to address its challenges, it has the potential to be widely accepted, bringing the crypto dream closer to reality. Technical progression. Scalability will continue being at the forefront. BCH might explore second-layer solutions, much like Bitcoin's Lightning Network. Global P2P transactions. With its ethos, BCH could be at the vanguard of a new era of global, decentralized transactions. Mia Zheng, a crypto futurist, believes BCH showcases that the crypto journey isn't linear. There will be twists, turns, and offshoots, but each adds value to the overarching vision. Conclusion. Tracing Bitcoin Cash's trajectory provides valuable insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. It's a world where innovation, ideology, and implementation continually intertwine. BCH, with its highs and lows, controversies, and achievements, symbolizes the spirit of this space. A relentless quest for decentralized, global financial empowerment. It prompts us to reflect, innovate, and imagine a world where people have greater control over their financial destinies. Through the lens of Bitcoin Cash, we witness the unfolding saga of a digital financial revolution.